If the tokens are not exchanged going before the deadline, they will remain on the NEO blockchain and will be useless as they can't be used on the way of thinking association. Are there any Ontarios really got some spot? This present circumstance seemed to have happened a year earlier. Sympathetic help. I was unable to move my resources anytime out of transcendentalism from mass relocation. As a result of a shortfall of ONT, I cannot stake nor move resources due to no ONT. I don't have the foggiest idea how this structure could really work. How it does. This wallet doesn't help, since I can't move various assets into ONT. Being in the US, I also can't use most lenders that would exchange assets into ONT. I have made a pass at all that and am frenzied for a response. I basically need my resources out of Ontario. And it's obviously gotten. Might anybody anytime propose a self-evident charge, less safe connection? The current cosmology cost is 0.229143 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 15,726,834. Cosmology is down 264 at this point. The continuous CON market cap situating is 125, with a live market cap of 200,557,157. It has a flowing inventory of 875,249,524 Ontario coins and a most extreme supply of 1 billion Ontario coins. What is the Ontario coin? The web shows that the way of thinking structure is assigned at the general populace to thwart tangles between the cash firm and the blockchain. The foundation region could utilize cosmology and blockchain propels with no prior perception of shared networks. Since the Chinese's creation of cosmology in 2017, there are still no procedures for associations to combine blockchain into starting plans, with no immense blockchain authority. In like manner, the ongoing trust stages persevere through a lot of hardships. Blockchain limits got data regard insufficient conspicuous confirmation and lacking insurance security. Fundamental examinations mainnet was as of late shipped off and work on the NFT stage, and wallet upgrades have begun. New organized endeavors are developing some positive headway. Checking and coin economy game plan of 1000 MN Ontario and ONT, with an Ontario current core speed of around 63 and a market cap of 800 million. Its continuous expense is 0.914. It has a trading volume of 108 million. While its streaming stock is 875 million Ontario. A buyback from the open market was as of late wrapped up. There have been no consuming events and the stock is predictable. Checking makes the ONT utility coin, which is versatile and subsequently used to pay the gas charge. By and large, the inspector believes that ONT has gotten past an essential level. A retest is presumably going to affirm a SR flip, enabling a retreat entry. Why you should exchange Ontario Token Exchange insinuates the difference in a coin from the blockchain, where it is momentarily worked with to its own association. For instance, cosmology for a period was worked with on the NEO blockchain and migrated its token red, consume the old and make new to allow Ontario tokens to run on its nearby blockchain. Concerning EOS, UOB has decided to help both representative exchanges, suggesting that clients holding both Ontario or TRX on UOB will get the new tokens normally, without playing out any exercises themselves. Failing to play out the representative did an ICO, they airdropped Ontario tokens to the people who joined to their email list and NEO holders. The Ontario coin has a total reserve of 1 billion, of which around 80 are accessible for use. Ontario holders gain organization honors and the ability to stake tokens. Clients who stake their Ontario can moreover get stamping rewards. Thusly, other than the way that they expect a working part in controlling association decisions. Yet moreover, they benefit from their help. Individuals who stake their Ontario get grants as mysticism gas on cosmology gas. The ONT coin is a special representative that is conveyed each time a mysticism block is insisted. It's basically used to pay for reasoning trade costs. Moreover, an award for clients' help with keeping the way of thinking blockchain utilitarian. Besides, the way of thinking gas coin is used whenever a client carries out unambiguous methodology on the cosmology blockchain, for instance, conveying splendid arrangements, how to exchange BTC for Ontario. If you Are looking for a strong cosmology exchange stage? Swapson is here to help you through Swapson. You can without a doubt switch BTC over totally to Ontario or Ontario to BTC without the unexpected issues of opening and really looking at a record, expecting that sounds like what you are looking for. Here is a one small step at a time guide on the most capable strategy to exchange BTC for Ontario. Rush towards Swapson through your web program. In the Match tab, pick BTC as the coin that you wish to exchange. Enter the right proportion of BTC. Additionally, before you proceed in the section, get up to enter reasoning as the coin that you wish to receive as a trade-off for BTC. After you have entered these nuances, Swapson will show a couple of BTC Ontario change scale offers from different exchange assistants. Go through the different proposition on display and view as your ideal one. You can sort the proposals considering trade time, trading scale, or provide a rating whenever you have found a suggestion that you really want selected and snap on exchange to proceed. After this, enter a wallet address to acknowledge your Ontario. You will in like manner need to give a wallet address to get a rebate. If your trade doesn't go through, then again accepting at least for now that you are exchanging BTC Ontario between two of your wallets. Click on keep on exchanging to continue. This will set off the trade to start it. Could require 2 or 3 minutes before you acknowledge your coins. Be patient as the exchange accessory sends your Ontario. At the point when the cycle gets done, you will get Ontario in your wallet. Essentially stop briefly to rate the experience and leave a fair study well-known matches to change over cosmology Ontario to Kant to Ethan to Kant to Mbont to Chant to Uzton to Thediant to Zmrant to Trixon to Psbont to Dashant to Zek cosmology specific assessment. The William Crock is moving into a napping position, suggesting little expense movement soon. The MACD histogram has little expense force on the possible increase, while the responsive strength record gives no sign of significant worth. Reversal ontology worth assumptions by Power District's Wallet Investor. The site uses artificial intelligence and man-made awareness, computerized reasoning to give the transcendentalism quote. The man-made insight rates Ontario evident data document C and comments that it would make a horrible one-year adventure. The Ontario cost will fall by 78.53 to reach 0.0498 in August 2023. The site shows a negative market cost assumption for the coming 14 days, and Ontario will tumble from the continuous expense to 0.2063. Close to the completion of the period. The negative example will rise in 2024 at 89.76 profit from starting capital speculation and drop to 83.43 in 2025. In 2026, Ontario profit from starting capital venture will be 84.91 and 82.31 in 2027. Trading Beasts. The site uses immediate and polynomial backslides to give the way of thinking measure. Ontario coins will sell at an ordinary trading cost of 0.3155879 in August. The expense will rise gradually to